Now I'm screwed. Now I'm screwed. I don't think I have a wind drop. I'm just scrying. Well, not scrying. I'm just drawing. I've been at 8. Yeah, I should have saved my thing. God. He knows I have that. I'm screwed. Yep. Nothing mattered. No, it didn't matter anyways. Tango Angler, he had enough mana. He just get everything to block that and then swing in. So, yeah. Well, Tango Angler, my nemesis. Right. Do I really want to do Vault Skyward? I don't think so. I mean, that plague sting is annoying. I don't know how many copies he has. Yeah, I'm taking out Darkseer Juggernaut. Prince Stoker, whoa. Prince Stoker, Butthole. Butthole. The butt hole. What's my... 772, I guess. I could also do 682. I'll leave it 7-7. Actually, no. I'm not gonna chance it. 682. Alright. Everything else is the same. Yeah. And he has a picture fax. I was kind of wary about that. Frost Hop. I mean, I'm playing black. If I was, I could put in a Blister Grub. That'd be fun. Yeah. Nothing else I can do with this deck. Submit. I would like to play first. Okay. I'll keep it. I just need planes, not be business. I just so need a planes. I'll have something for his Plague Stinger if he gets that out. Come on, planes. Victor Asp! Oh man. Well, that's a thing. No planes, eh? Alright, fine. I have some other stuff at least. I really do need a planes within these next few turns, though. Yeah, gonna have to take that. Yeah, you're gonna give it impact. Yep. Planes. I have 7 in my deck. Okay, Ickleclaw Mirror. I'd rather do Palladium Mirror. Yes. Now the Fallen would be annoying, but so it goes. It's just fair. Yeah, you're not gonna swing in. It's only when it becomes blocked. Okay. I think getting the Smith out is good. And then Right. And I can check my mirror. Okay. Ooh, that can be annoying. That could be annoying. Base passing, alright. Snap sail glider. Oh yeah. Okay. Yes. I'll be passing after that. Ah, that thing's gonna be annoying. Oh man, okay. I'm going to leave up so parry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. That said, if he probably is going to start spending removal also on my stuff. Flash allergy. I can't sack a response or anything. Right, okay. If he swings, I'll take it. I can swing back for a lot more. I think he knows that, so he's gonna pass. Okay. Sky High School. Draw a card, discard a card. Yeah. I could punch in for... You know what, I'll punch in for 1. I can trade for that. And now he knows I have something in my hand. It's infection, yeah. The only thing about soul parry is that I can't do anything with regards to preventing. I can bounce, but I can't prevent. Alright, that's something. Hell of a lot blockers now, at least. Interesting. I could put it on one of my Glinthawk item. I could put it on one of my flyers, or I can put it on Ickleclaw Mirror to accelerate that clock. That's what I'm actually going to do, I think. I don't know. It forces them to try to like draw into like more removal, I think. Yep. Of course, now he's drawing to a lot more cards, so but at least he's out of a creature. At least I cleared the board too, so that's another plus. I don't know if he's running Blunt the Assault. I don't think so. He has a full hand, but he needs to like drop like a lot of like creatures. Swamp, okay. Edgar Rats, that's a thing. Right. Replica, that's another thing. Those are certainly things. Right, yep. I'm gonna equip. I'm gonna make this a creature and we're gonna swing with everything. Because I have Soul Parry. That is an awesome thing. Because no matter what he blocks, he will be on the losing end. And I want to use it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I'll use it. 1, 2. It's my Soul Parry. So now he can see he got Putrefax. Nah, yeah, there's no way I don't think he's coming back. You need Putrefax, and there's no way he could. I mean, he could pump it up, but it'll be only by 2. So that's, yeah. I'd be down to 9, but yeah, I should have figured that out before. That was actually kind of risky. Yeah, I should have left something back. Although against Putrefax, it's kind of, you know. So yeah, that was close. Yeah, way too close. All right, next to join me next round.